Hey guys, welcome to the Skippy Tube channel. Today I talk about the NTC and PTC components. But before I explain, I put a scientifically explained link in the video description because hard to understanding and easy explain for me. Now I said, what does it mean NTC and PTC? NTC is negative temperature coefficient and PTC is positive temperature coefficient. What does it do? These two components control the temperature on the phone. When phone is overheat, comes up the alarm, and you can see the alarm right. The phone is very hot, needs to cool down. You need to turn up the phone or bring to other side to cool down because it's very dangerous if it doesn't have this component on the phone. Phone when is overheat, maybe battery explosion or something happen on the phone. Now let me know. I show you the symbol. NTC and PTC temperature symbol is this one, and when you see this symbol in the circuit board or schematic diagram, right now you know this is the NTC or PTC components. Now I want to say how to know this resistor is NTC or PTC, or how to check this component. That is easy. Just need a multimeter and put the selector on the resistor and check the ohm. And multimeter have two probes, and put the cable to 2 points and check the ohm. Doesn't matter this black this side or that side, just put in and check the ohm on the screen. Right now I say this how to check it. For example, on the screen showing the 20 ohms, and now you need to hit the component. When it's hitting, that's resistor start to change the ohm. If it's ohm going up, for example after 20 going to 21, 22, 23, you know this resistor type is PTC, positive temperature coefficient. If it's going down 19, 18 or 17, you know this resistor type NTC. And if it doesn't change, it means this component needs to replace and put a new one. That's it. Today I talked about the NTC and PTC, and thank you for watching. I'm waiting your suggestions, and see you next video.